This is possibly one of the most insane purchases I have ever made, and I'm quite nervous about it. It cost £1,000 just to ship it, and yeah, it's from China. Please don't install violently. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I'm starting to see what I've spent about £5,000 on now. Wow. So this is our land for the next 5 weeks, and it is just absolutely incredible. You can literally see as far as the eye can see, bar my dirty windshield. We're in the Lincolnshire Wolds and we've already started work. Now I know what you're thinking, what have a load of boxes and some ancient woodland got to do together? So we've already started working here. And I'm excited to see what this place looks like because it's been about a week since we were last here working on it. Paths are looking good. Now I'll explain more about what we're doing in just a short second, but I'm happy to see that the bar's still here and the stage is built. This thing looks incredible when the big tree behind it lines up. This is sick. So everything here has been a huge team effort. Me and the boys have put this together. You wouldn't even believe what this space looked like before now. But is it built well? Yeah, I think it's fine. Should be all right. So we came from down here and I'll show you this way. Now it's nothing groundbreaking yet, and I haven't unboxed what's on the driveway yet. But you have a massive path through the woodlands and it just keeps going and going and going until you get all the way out here to the main area where we were before. But I know what you're thinking. What's it all for? And more importantly, how are we getting on with those lights? It's really not good. I mean, it is. So if you've not already guessed, these are some insane tube lights. They've become massively popular over the last year or so, and being a massive fan of LEDs myself, I obviously had to see what all the fuss was about. What on earth? What are these? What's that? Now you see, the problem is, I have 300 meters of the stuff here. And what the guy from China didn't say was each 10-meter strip needs its own power supply. 30 power supplies. Oh my God. So these look like the, oh my. Please don't go bang. Bit about what's going on here. This is hopefully going to be one of the sickest festivals that Lincolnshire has. But more importantly, it's a passion project, it's a learning curve, and it's only a small team of us that are doing this, and through that you become numerous roles in one. Builder, manager, floor staff, groundworks, lighting engineer, sound, tickets, safety. But on top of that, you can't just put something like this on and expect it all to work. We have the council involved, the local police and security and bar staff. But with all that boring stuff out the way, above all, hopefully it's going to be a really sick time for anybody that purchases a ticket, and that, all in all, is the end goal. And if you do fancy coming down, it's on the 20th of June, especially if you're in the Lincolnshire or Nottinghamshire area. I'll put those ticket links in the description, and there might be a discount code just for you lot. But I'm hoping we can get some more stuff done today, some boots on the ground. I've got here first today, but there is a few people coming to help. I really need those lights. So in theory, if I touch voltage plus and voltage it's working! I'm sorry. My plan is, once all this is working, to build it all into this thing. It's got wheels and a nice handle. Oh, I love it when you wing it and it starts coming together. Yes, no?
Yeah, I think that's good. Go on, give it some. Good job. Well done. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it does look good.
It looks so good.
Close.
I don't want my legs to go out every time.
Wow, so this is just insane, and I'm so glad that this hasn't blown up yet. So basically it's a bunch of 24-volt power supplies here, and then you've got the LED drivers here, here, and here. You connect it all together, put it in a nice little box, and I mean, yeah, this is unlike anything I've ever built before. Looks so good with all of these just disappearing into the toolbox. 0.5 kilowatt for 7 strips. I just can't believe this works. So we need to try and get these up in the tree somehow, and is it me that's doing it?
Alex has no fall damage. He can just fall from any height and he just absorbs it.
7 more? You had 8, didn't you?
7 or 8, can't remember.
Great.
Been up this tree for too long. Starts to look like a festival already.
Is he going to do little doodads? No way, that looks so sick! Oh my god, that looks awesome.
Is it good?
Yeah. Mate. Oh my god. Right, it's going.
Oh, leave it on there.
Yeah.
Leave it on there a sec.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
What's that?
Whoa.
Yeah, that's the SD
Mate.
card for you.
It looks so good. It doesn't matter that they're all separate as well. It looks so connected. Look, you haven't even turned around.
Oh, that's so sick. Oh, that's amazing. This looks absolutely unbelievable, and I can't believe there's only 7 strips up here and we have 24. That being said, this looks sick. Let's run some effects on it. One big smile with the Chinese LEDs all working. Now, before I end this video, I just want to show you this little thing versus this bigger one. Now, Summit and this whole festival thing didn't just start this year. I've been running Summit with my friend Mitch for the past 4 or 5 years now. We've been doing little one-off events before doing festivals. And this was an LED box that I made for one of our terrace parties, and it was controlled with a little ESP32 board up here, and inside just a couple of power supplies for some 5-volt LEDs. Now you compare that to this absolute monster that I've built right here. And opening this up, I am kind of lost for words. Because when I had all those boxes on the drive, I was really nervous and anxious. I didn't know how it was gonna go or what I was even unboxing. But I think the thing to take away from this video and what these lights and this festival and this entire experience has taught me is to just give it a go. Building this made me anxious at one point, and so did this. And so did the thought of running a festival, yet here we are. And the only reason we're here is because we gave things a go. And if things fail, if the festival's not a success, then great. We've done something, we've enjoyed it, and we've learned. And the positive is that if it's great, we can make something that everybody can enjoy. But with that being said, I hope you've enjoyed, and if you do want to come down and see what we've got going on here, I'll put the ticket links in the description. But for now, I need to thank today's video sponsor, Squarespace. If you've been on the fence about making a website, now's the perfect time to do it. Because if you use code MarzBar or go to squarespace.com/MarzBarVlogs, you'll save yourself 10% on your first Squarespace purchase or domain. And just as we've learned in this video, things don't need to be perfect, you just need to get started. And Squarespace is the perfect place to do that for all things websites. I make and have done for the last 5 years all of my websites on Squarespace, and they look fantastic, and the best part is the learning curve is nothing. They've got drag and drop templates and even AI that can help you design and plan your website. And they can even sort out the domain, which is actually the website name itself, all under the one platform. So if you fancy giving Squarespace a go, I'll put those links in the description. Anyway guys, we've got loads of work to do over the next 3 weeks. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.